temple is made inside the rock, so it's called the cave temple. And you can see the rock up on the top, and inside there is a temple. Buddha is sleeping, keep quiet.
So Lord Buddha, he cheated the demon. Why he cheated? Sadaya Hridaya Darsita Pasu Ghatam. He was very compassionate. God is always sympathetic to all living entities because everyone is his son. So these rascals were killing unrestrictedly, simply animal killing. And if you say, oh, why you are animal killing? They will immediately say, oh, it is in the Vedas, there is Pasava Badhaya Srishta. The animal killing is there in the Vedas. But what's the purpose? That is to test the Vedic mantra. A animal will be put into the fire, and by Vedic mantra he will be rejuvenated. That is sacrifice, animal sacrifice. Not that for eating purpose. Therefore, in this age of Kali, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has forbidden any kind of yoga, because there is no expert, a Brahmin, who can chant the mantras and make experiment of the Vedic mantras that here is coming out. That is before performing yoga, how the mantra is potent, that was tested by sacrificing animal and again giving life. Then it is to be understood that the priests who are chanting that mantra, that is right. That was a test, not for animal killing. But these rascals, for eating animals, they cited here there is animal killing.
Here, everywhere we can see sleeping Buddha. He's waiting for the nirvana state coming. But for us, the best state of consciousness is Raja Bhakti, that love to Krishna, that gopis experience. That's why we tend to that mood. This is just for us, like sightseeing. We expand our knowledge, worldview, but still our focus is one, Vrindavan and Radha and Krishna. Hare Bol. We are walking and entering different rooms, and here again, Buddha is sleeping. I would like to also take rest nearby.
You waiting for nirvana?
No. Train to Vrindavan. Look at their neck, they collect some food in their neck. They have very cute hairstyle. Like this, I don't know how it goes, like short hair. Look at their fancy hairstyle. In Vrindavan, they would already steal our sunglasses and other things, but here they're just indifferent. They are not trained to do this. What is the name of this?
Singing bowl.
This is a singing bowl.
Like this, only palm. You don't touch, yeah?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama